few minutes of play turned into a lifetime of grief. In a heartbreaking incident from Pune's Siagat Road area, a 7-year-old boy lost his life after getting trapped inside a lift while playing at his own residential apartment complex. The tragic incident occurred around 10:30 p.m. on Monday at Riddhi Siddhi apartment in Nimbaj Nagar, leaving the residents and the victim family in deep sorrow. According to the information that has been received, young Shivash had entered the building's lift while playing. He allegedly pressed few buttons, causing the lift to start moving. However, before it could reach the second floor, the lift reportedly stopped in midway and got stuck, trapping the child inside the lift. When Shivas remained missing for a long time and the residents noticed that the lift was not operational, a search began soon after that. As soon as the search came to light, local police and fire brigade teams were immediately called on the spot. Rescue personnel made continuous efforts to bring the child out of the lift. Although Shrivans was eventually rescued, he had already lost his life by the time when he was taken out. The sudden death of the child has left the family devastated and the entire locality in mourn. Initial investigations suggest that there was no technical malfunction in the lift, and officials stated that regular maintenance of the elevator was being carried out by the housing society. Now, the Siagat Road police have registered an accidental death complaint and case, and further investigation regarding this incident is currently underway under the guidelines of the senior police. As we have seen, a 7-year-old boy had no knowledge how to go. He had been choosing the path of lift. In that entire incident, in the middle way only, the lift has got stuck, which has caused of his life damage. As we have seen, we have to see that the parents need to be cautious about the children's safety. As we have seen, children does not have knowledge like the lift knowledge or how to press the buttons in the lift. As we have seen, Shivans was 7-year-old, and this incident has even given a deep sorrow for the entire family as well as the locality of the residential apartment of Riddhi Siddhi complex. But even as soon as this incident came to light, even we have seen the police personnel as well as the fire brigade teams have immediately reached on the spot, and the investigation has been started. By the time the child was rescued from the lift, he has already lost his life. Even now, police is underway of the investigation. We need to see what are the things that come out of this case. But even for the guidelines, even parents need to take care of the children for the further safety of the children while especially they are playing in the society. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.